Hi, I would like to convey a very important message. Please try to get it. There are people trying to sabotage the reputation of my father, my family. I don't know what they are trying to get out of it. I really don't understand about their intention. Some people are trying to misuse the situation. Misuse the power and authority, and they are misguiding my father. They are trying to sabotage the reputation of our family. They are spreading ill rumors. And moreover, they are acting like the third rated loafers. And moreover, they are showing that they are coming from a very filthy family. Filthy. There are so many things to do in this world. If you are not able to uplift the nation's position in the world level, at least don't do something that is opposite to it. If you don't have anything else to do, then you must ask your parents. Your act is showing about your family's, reputation, your background, your qualification. Don't you have anything else to do? Why are you targeting my family? What do you get out of it? There are people trying to misguide my father, and they are trying to put him in a place, in a very dangerous situation. It's very dangerous. No, he's from a very small town. He's a very innocent person. Of course, he traveled. He already tried many things like traveling, meeting a lot of people and all. But still, he's from a very small town. And there are people trying to misguide him in many ways. In many ways. They are putting him in a very dangerous situation. And I am not with him. I cannot tell him, this is what you can do, this is what you cannot do. I am not with him. They are using the situation and they are misguiding him. They are putting him in a very dangerous situation. And they are also spreading ill rumors about our family. They already destroyed our family's reputation. They destroyed the dignity of our family. I don't know what's going on really. I have a proof for it. I'm not talking something that's not there. I have a proof. Someone is trying to misguide my father. It's not the first time. This is, I heard about it and I saw it, and this is the second time. Someone is trying to put him in a very dangerous situation. See, if you are not able to do something good, at least please don't do something bad. That's enough. If you are not able to help anyone, it's fine, no issues. But don't misguide someone. Don't misuse the situation. People already targeted our family for something. I really don't understand it. What do they want? I already told you about everything. I have the proper receipts for everything. I have my certificates. I have the receipts for whatever I hold. And if you need any information, there is a system that is called judicial system, that is very powerful in this country, impartial. Why don't you approach something that is legal? Why are you doing it everything on our back and giving lot of troubles? What do you get out of it? Let me know. What do you get out of it? I told you about everything. I told you about my schooling, my college, where I lived. And after that, if you need any information, get the papers. I'll explain it, because there are people trying to dilute the situation, and already they have destroyed a lot of things related to me. They have deleted all the data from the laptop, from the mobiles, and I don't have the medical records with me. 10 years of medical records, they have deleted it. They have taken it. I don't know. All the data from the old phones. I have the receipt for each and every phone. I still have the receipt, as well as I have the bill, as well as the box, the empty box. Because the phone was stolen and I made a report for it. And there are 2 old phones. It's not working. I'm not able to retrieve any data from it. And there was a laptop in our house. I stored the data in that, and all the data, everything was gone. I am here to tell you only this thing. I have proper records and I need protection for it, because people are able to destroy it when I am not here. I don't know how it's happening. What do you want? Let me ask you. I'm not going to ask you again and again. What do you want? Who are you? Are you an educated person? Well qualified? You must understand what is the meaning of education at first. And if you have the qualification, there are places for it. If you need any information about me, I'm an individual. You cannot just come and ask something about me. If you need any information, if that is personal, how could I give you? But people are coming, getting into my house, able to destroy the documents. They are able to do anything. I just don't get it. How on earth it is possible? What are you trying to do, by the way? At first, you must understand that we are in the 21st century. Everything is there. The technology is very much updated in each and every field. If you want any information about us, about my family, about me, there is a place for it. The Constitution created the place for it. The Constitution itself having all sort of information. The civilians' rights, duties listed. Moreover, there is something called, human rights. You cannot breach, you cannot violate, you cannot destroy someone else's life as the way you want. If you are educated, if you have the power and authority, go and develop something that is useful for this nation. Work for country's progress. Don't do something like this. How could you misguide a senior citizen? How could you give a lot of troubles to him? What do you want? I already gave you all the information related to the alma mater. If you want something more than that, I can give you the information, but there is a place for it. Please approach the system. There I will produce it. I have the receipts for everything. What else you want? I told you I have worked in 2 MNCs. I worked in the technical support. I was providing the technical support. Then I worked in the KPO. That's very different. But that is also related to the same technical support. It's related to hardware as well as for the software. What do you want? I gave you all the information. There was a house, my mother, the house was earning for 18 years. The house was earning money. The rent. What else you want? I don't know about your background. I don't know about your place, where you are from, what you do and all. I gave you all the information. If you need anything else, there is a system for it. It has been created by the Constitution. I mean, when it was created, everything was listed. The rights and duties, and there are so many articles. What do you want? Someone is still doing it. I just don't understand it. When there are people having no sense at all. I mean, I just don't get it. This is a developing nation. What is the meaning of it? I mean, we are in the 21st century. How could you present your ideas that is soaked in 5th century ideals? Now, would you please sit on the time machine, go back to the same century? Why are you hurting people? What do you get out of it? Okay, I would like to tell you this is for each and everyone in this world. If I want to talk to you, I'll make a video call. If you want to talk to me, make a video call. Otherwise, don't call me up. I will not attend it. And don't consider any message from me via SMS or email. I'm not sending it. I'm not going to send any SMS. I will not send any SMS. I will not send any WhatsApp message. I will not call you up. If I have to call you up, then I will make a video call. If you want to call me, then please make a video call. Without seeing your face, I will not pick up the call. I will not respond, or I will not consider your text message as well. I'm sorry to say this because that's my situation. I'm having a lot of things to do. There are things to do in my house, and there are a lot of things to read, and I am not here to spend time with anyone. Henceforth, there will be no, I'm not going to post any video because I have no time for it. I'm so tired of it. Because there are things going on around me and nobody is able to get it. And there are people having the very filthy, ill mindset, and I'm not able to fight with them. It's their background, it's their family, it's all about their family values and their, it's all about his or her family's background. If he or she is intended to do something against someone for nothing, then you must consider his or her upbringing or education or qualification how did they bring them up? I mean, how did they bring them up without teaching the morals, ethics, or even, you don't, I mean, at least consider the kindness, something called kindness, compassion. Don't you have anything? I mean, what about your mother? She didn't teach you about kindness, compassion. Just because you got the power and authority doesn't mean that you can do anything in this world. And after all, you are in a very, democratic country. If you try to hurt my family in any way, whoever it may be, consider that your mother is an illiterate and she never ever taught you anything. I really don't want to talk something that is very bad about your mother, but consider that it's related to your family values and where you are from. If you act like a third-rated loafer, that's your wish. I cannot do anything with that. And I have no time for all these, nonsense. If it is something that has no meaning at all, I will not consider it. I will not give you any information. You must understand that there are people doing so many things on my back and they have no sense at all. I just don't get it because you don't believe it. So it's better not to talk about it. But on the whole, I would like to address this particular problem. Someone or some group of people trying to misguide my father